Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, we have a ceasefire agreement between Hamas and Israel. This is wonderful news. However, this is just a piece of paper, an agreement. Now it has to be executed. Now it has to be implemented. And let's see if the parties, which need to, on both sides, make some significant adjustments, are able to keep their word and make the necessary adjustments to have long-lasting peace in the region and with the conflict that they have had over the years. This continues to, over the years, to calm down and all of a sudden flare up again and so on and so forth. So good news that there is an agreement, and let's see how in a little bit of time over the next couple of months if this is a successful agreement. Yesterday, we had news that inflation is coming down. And like always, investors are jumping the gun and making all kinds of estimates, and some of them just ridiculous, on how many cuts and this, that, and the other. Folks, we just started the year. This is the first data point regarding inflation. How are you going to possibly gauge what's going to occur? There's so many things related to the possibility of the path moving forward regarding interest rates that is just an unknown. Don't jump the gun. Let things materialize, let things unfold, and then we'll have a better sense as more data becomes available. There are so many things that are going to change over the next couple of months. We are in uncharted waters. Tariffs. If you charge basic economics, if you charge somebody at the beginning of the line more and make it more costly to sell that product, that has to be forwarded all the way down the line to the end consumer. There's so much that we don't know at this point in time. We don't know who is going to have to pay more. And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter who it is, that will be passed down all the way to the end consumer. That's the way it works. There's no way around it. But all this remains to be seen. This year, I've made a couple of comments regarding this, kind of touching on it, but not so directly as I'm going to right now. Our debt problem, our debt concerns, at this point in time, they're not concerns. They're fears. And when the debt issue actually really starts to unfold, there's going to be some wild and intense volatility. Out of that wild and intense volatility will come some excellent opportunities. And you must be prepared. You must be ready to act and initiate, buy your positions, and acquire product at the right time. I want to also be very clear on something. IMG, we have zero control over a market. We simply have the ability to help you buy and acquire product. But we have zero ability in regards to offering you a certain price. That is out of our hands. So if you see that the market is offering you a good, a valid, a good entry point, don't delay. Make your decisions and acquire your product, because it has nothing to do with IMG or any other company for that matter. We have zero control over the price structure of the products that we sell to our clients. So if the product is at a price that is attractive, that makes sense, that fundamentally and technically is something that is suggesting that you should be acquiring product, then do so. Be proactive. Don't sit on the sidelines. You've already seen some wonderful moves that occurred not too long ago in these markets. And now these markets are poised to prepare, to be ready to achieve the next levels. Any price break at this point in time is a magnificent entry point. Contact IMG. Be proactive. I wish you all the very best.